this idea that we can only enjoy ourselves if we're in a place where there's food and drink and entertainment and excitement is laughable. We should be able to enjoy ourselves just in literally enjoying ourselves. And that's what it should feel like. So that anything else external is optional, and one typically winds up having such a beautiful experience enjoying one's self that there is far less desire, inclination to wanting to have all these external things. So that way it also impacts how you spend your time, how you spend your money, how you spend your energy. It just, like I said, it has this incredible knock-on effect, this incredible ripple effect throughout your life. And to hang on to experience that, to see how simplified your life can be, which is going to have a meaningful effect on everything else in terms of the kinds of resources you need to bring in for yourself, for your family, what your expectations are in all of these other areas. It's not limited to the body, even to the mind and to the heart. It extends to benefit, upgrade, uplift, purify, improve the experience of every single aspect of your life.